The world's most satisfying machines. There are various machines in the world that provide a sense of satisfaction through their efficiency, precision, and overall performance. These machines, designed to accomplish specific tasks, captivate our attention and leave us with a sense of awe. In this video, we will explore some of the world's most satisfying machines, highlighting their unique features and the satisfaction they bring. Pasta cutters. In factory settings, pasta is made by mixing wheat and water into a dough. The dough is then pushed through various molds depending on the shape of pasta you want to end up with. This is where things get satisfying. As the dough is extruded through the molds, a rotating blade swings through like a reaper's scythe and cuts the noodles into perfectly identical portions. With each revolution, hundreds of noodles fall into a collection tray. Industrial pasta machines can make thousands of noodles per minute. Cotton candy machines. Cotton candy is a highlight of country fairs, festivals, and sporting events. There's a good reason cotton candy stands are set up in such a way that you can watch the purveyor at work. The cotton candy machine. It basically takes the whole spun sugar process and automates it. A heating element melts sugar, which is then thrown through small rotating holes via how stuff works. Modern machines use floss sugar, which is flavored and specifically intended for making cotton candy. But you can also use almost any hard candy. Smashing or grinding it into smaller bits will make it easier for your machine to melt the sugars and spin them into the candy floss of your dreams. Automatic ice machines. If you want to watch an elegantly cool machine at work, get your hands on a countertop ice machine. They work by using a small water pump to continuously run water over metal prongs. Those prongs use refrigerant to reach freezing temperatures and slowly build an ice pellet on their surface. Then, using a heat exchanger, the surface temperature of the prong rises until the ice pellet falls off, landing in a collection tray. Finally, a small plastic arm transfers the newly made ice into a bucket where you can scoop it into your drink. Tattoo removing lasers. Lasers offer an alternative removal process that is potentially less traumatic. To understand how laser tattoo removal works, we first need to understand how tattoos work. Tattoos remain in place by being sequestered in layers of the skin that don't typically move or grow. Your body generally isn't a fan of foreign objects, but ink particles are too large for your cells to easily remove, so they get permanently stuck. According to the University of Utah, laser tattoo removal works by breaking the ink down into smaller pieces so that your body can effectively get rid of it. Industrial shredders. Industrial shredders come in various designs, each of which has a different number of rotating shafts covered in metal teeth. As explained by Industrial Quick Search, single shaft shredders are often used for breaking down plastics, while multi-shaft shredders can handle much tougher materials from old computers to tires and metal. They're often used in recycling to break complex objects down into raw materials that can be reused. Things get really fun when multiple rollers rotate into one another, grabbing seemingly indestructible objects and tearing them to bits. As objects are dismantled, they land on a screen below the rollers which filter them based on their size. If a piece is too large, it can be passed through the shredder again and again until it's sufficiently broken up. 3D printers. 3D printers have revolutionized manufacturing and design processes. These machines can bring digital models to life by creating three-dimensional objects layer by layer. The additive nature of 3D printing allows for the production of complex geometries that were previously challenging to achieve. Witnessing a 3D printer construct an object from scratch, gradually forming it with precision and accuracy, is a truly satisfying experience. Industrial presses. Industrial presses are capable of exerting immense force to shape and form various materials. Whether it's metal stamping, coin minting, or sheet metal bending, these machines provide consistent and controlled pressure to achieve desired shapes and patterns. Witnessing an industrial press effortlessly transform raw materials into precise and uniform products is undeniably satisfying. Packaging machines. Packaging machines play a crucial role in the manufacturing and distribution of goods. These machines can efficiently package products in various forms, such as bottles, boxes, or cans, with speed and precision. The synchronized movements of conveyor belts, robotic arms, and sealing mechanisms create a seamless packaging process. Witnessing products being swiftly and accurately packaged, ready for distribution, evokes a sense of efficiency and satisfaction. Coin sorting machines. Coin sorting machines are designed to quickly and accurately sort and count large quantities of coins. These machines utilize advanced technologies, such as optical sensors and electromagnetic mechanisms to detect and sort coins based on their denominations. The rhythmic sound of coins cascading through the machine, followed by the precise sorting and stacking, creates a visually and audibly satisfying experience. The world is filled with an array of satisfying machines that captivate us with their precision, efficiency, and performance. Machines bring a sense of satisfaction through their flawless execution of tasks. From manufacturing and automation to household chores and entertainment, these machines enrich our lives and leave us in awe of their capabilities.